In this video, we'll have a look at how you can have alert messages in the interface based on information elsewhere on a record without having to load that information. You can actually see a status alert. So let's say, for instance, we've got our opportunity stages here, and I want to know any opportunity. If I look at a contact and a contract has been issued, then I want to highlight that. So what I do is I go and create in my query builder a new query for contracts issued and opportunity, and where the stage is contracts issued, and it's for the client. Okay, so now I can add some details to it so that it's also my query list if I want to use that. But let's just keep this simple for the moment. We'll just leave it at that. But then I have the option here to say what message should be shown in the highlight when they do meet the criteria and what should be shown when they don't. Now, I'm not going to put anything in don't, because that means for 7 out of the 8 or whatever stages we have, there will be an alert. And like all alerts, if you see them everywhere, you stop seeing them. So I'm just going to say if they have, then I'll say this contact has at least one opportunity contract issued. Because we don't want, if I've got 3 opportunities and 2 we've issued contracts for, we don't want the alert to show up twice. So it's only for the one, at least one. So I can now save that. And that's in place. And that now becomes available as a query on the dashboard. That's all just normal query stuff, and that's there. But if I now go and refresh, and I go and amend one of these opportunities, and let's go and amend the one we're not going to see when we load our screen, contracts issued, save that. If I refresh that, I then have my alert up here without having to go and look at the opportunities to see, oh yes, there's one that's in contract issued. I have that alert there straight away, and therefore it highlights it to whoever's looking at the record. And you can have multiple ones for different queries. Obviously, don't put 20 alerts up, because then they're not alerts anymore. They don't become that useful that way, but 1 or 2 alerts that you can put up for key pieces of information, whether the information is there or missing, you can then drive that without having to load the data.